Hey everybody, it's Beth. I'm using these 2 bunnies and 2 crates that I got from Dollar Tree. I take the bunnies and paint one side of them with Cottage white chalk paint, as well as the edge. And I'm doing the opposite on each bunny. So one of them I'm going to be painting the front of it, the other one I'm going to be painting the back of it, and then putting scrapbook paper on the other side. So I just painted one side of each and the edge with 2 coats. The second coat I used a sponge so you didn't see any of the paintbrush strokes. I then also painted the 2 crates from Dollar Tree with the same Cottage white. Once the bunnies are dry, I take the unfinished side of the bunny and trace that on scrapbook paper, which I got from Hobby Lobby. I apply Mod Podge to each of them, again on the unfinished side. Just a generous amount because it's thicker scrapbook paper. Once I have the Mod Podge applied, I take the scrapbook paper and place those down on the bunnies and smooth them out with my hands. Once I have them attached and smoothed out, I take some parchment paper and put that over the scrapbook paper, and then use my travel iron to iron the paper on, and it'll smooth it out and it'll dry the Mod Podge. Once that's dry, I do an outer layer of Mod Podge on top of the scrapbook paper and then use my heat tool to dry that layer. Once those are dry, I take my micro sanding block and sand off any excess paper. What I'm doing next is attaching the trays to the painted part of the bunnies. I take quick hold glue as well as hot glue and place it on the edge of one of the trays. And I place it against one of the bunnies, just a little bit up, and I take a level just to make sure that tray is nice and level. And then to do the next tray, to keep this one level, I just put some craft sticks under until I have it standing flat. And then see where the next tray is going to be touching the bunny, which is only part of the tray. So I use those same glues again, the quick hold glue and hot glue. Place it on the area that will be touching the bunny. Put that against it, and then again move the level to make sure it is level. I then flip the bunny on its side so the trays are facing up, and I put the 2 glues on the trays. Again, on the top one, just part of that tray will be touching. And then take that and stand it back up and place the other bunny on the other side. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.